Got an SBS file from a 3D texture artist and want to use it in your project? This procedural material format powers cutting-edge texture creation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with Substance 3D Designer files. Keep your expectations high for the final step. We will introduce you to the single utility that makes troubleshooting the SBS format and dozens of others obsolete. An SBS file is a procedural material graph created with Adobe Substance 3D Designer. Users search for this to understand how to use these complex materials in 3D rendering applications like Blender, 3ds Max, or game engines. It contains a node-based network defining textures and their properties, not a static image. The SBS format is a proprietary binary container that encapsulates a complex node graph. This design allows for non-destructive editing and procedural generation of textures, enabling artists to create highly customizable and resolution-independent materials. The file stores the logic, not just the final pixel data, for maximum flexibility and reusability. The native handler for SBS files is usually Adobe Substance 3D Designer from Adobe Systems Incorporated. Standard Windows programs often fail to correctly display all layers of the document. Windows offers limited visibility into design content, so proper use depends on dedicated software. The solution begins by testing the installed programs. Right-click the SBS file and choose Open With. Use Adobe Substance 3D Designer as your first choice. If it fails, select another program. Be systematic in your application testing. If your SBS file still refuses to open, stay calm. The universal solution is coming. But first, the explanation. Here is the technical breakdown of why your system is rejecting the SBS file. First, opening in Substance Designer. Install Adobe Substance 3D Designer from Adobe Creative Cloud and open the SBS file via File then Open. The complete node graph loads in the workspace, allowing exploration of the procedural network parameter adjustment and rendering preview at any output resolution within the application interface. Next, exporting to SBSAR. Export SBS graphs to SBSAR. Substance archive format for runtime use in 3D applications via File, then Publish. The SBSAR format preserves parameter exposure for runtime customization while hiding implementation details. Most 3D applications support SBSAR import for procedural materials with adjustable parameters. Finally, using in 3D software. Import SBSAR files into Blender, Maya 3ds Max, Unreal Engine Unity, or other 3D software with Substance plugin support. The host application exposes SBSAR parameters for runtime adjustment, generating textures procedurally based on configured values without requiring source SBS access for end users. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.